Welcome, welcome, welcome. Trey coming to you live again from the Harmonic Trading Club. What a what I consider a pretty important lesson as I continue to learn, grow, and even sharpen my own tools. So hopefully you guys can see in the title of the video. You just need to slow down, and I say that because as I've started transitioning a little bit less out of the swing trading techniques and into some more of the lower time frame scalping techniques. I really noticed, like, if you go look at some of my other videos, you'll start to see me working in some lower time frames. And basically, what if I'm correct in what I believe I've identified is, I've said this before. Once the market, any instrument is done making its major move, whether that was something technical or whether that was brought forth by some type of fundamental or news event or catalyst or something like that, after that's done, usually you'll get a period of consolidation. And that's every instrument that I've reviewed. I happen to put my attention back on Forex for the past few days as I continue to back test, like I said, strategy that I'm going into. And it's actually been working to perfection, again, no matter the instrument. So in this case here, the focus is dollar yen. And like again, according, along with the title, you just got to take your time. Again, another sentiment that you will probably hear me say many times is, it's my opinion now that somebody's been lying to you. Somebody's been lying to you. It's either they've been lying. It's either that they've been lying to you, or they just don't know what the hell they're talking about. And over time, you'll see that there's going to be a certain point in time that you're going to say Trey was right, because when these things, no matter what it is, stock, crypto, forex, slow down and start moving sideways, that's when you're able to make your money. So if that wasn't the case, why would it be in the last 24 hours? If you're looking at the blue Gartley pattern here, you see that was 728, right? We're on where's my clock at? We're on 728. So these were last night, basically. We're still on the 728 trading day, basically. You get one, that's a winner coming down. I wanna try not to mark up too much, but from the blue down two targets, right? Two target winner forms the bull, and it's also Gartley. So Gartley, two target winner. When he comes up, he gives you a bat pattern, two target winner. A little bit of time goes by as there's a pretty decent swing breaking out of the zone that it was in, giving you those two, right? Because you're going to get your opportunities when the market is moving sideways. I'm sorry, out of those three, okay? And then comes on later this morning, and then that's the fourth entry. Now, the fourth entry, you could play the fourth entry two different ways. One way is you could be very conservative with it and start from the C and D leg of this. This one's a bat pattern. So I'm sorry, this is Gartley as well. No, this is bat, sorry. So C to D leg of that bat. And you'll notice the retracement is a 382 retracement. You'll notice it's a 382 retracement. That's actually a winner. That's a target. So if we were to put the targets on here for the blue, right, and we would say, here's the entry. The target is right here. And the stops, of course, let me come up. The stops would have been pretty tight right here. So that'd be the risk versus reward on that, right? So that's actually a winner. A person could have been done with that trade, but no sooner than he was done with that, another Gartley was filled, which would be the fifth trade. So 1, 2, 3, 4 winners, 5 winners on the fifth one. Let me take this out of here. So even though it doesn't look like this is a fill, it actually is a fill because I just don't have the position right. So there it is. So that's a fill. So that's 5 winners. This fill down here, this wick action down here, is also allowing the trader to get back involved in this guy right here. And then what the trader is able to do is, from the C to D leg, you're still playing that D leg entry. Instead of the 382, looking at 618 for targets on that one. And then what that would allow the trader to do is if he had came back and entered right here again, just basically giving you a second shot at getting involved in this, which is what the trader really wants because his target is up here. As you can see, price action running up. Price action wants to run way up here to 151, 640 for a trade opportunity that now looks like this. Mind you, there's another part of this I didn't even get a chance to talk about, right? And this is Thanksgiving. So, like I said, when somebody say somebody's lying to you, somebody probably told you that you couldn't trade because it's Thanksgiving, or that the market was closed. But you can see the price action in front of you right now. The fifth winner, the fourth winner already happened. And then we're looking at the fifth winner right now, and it'll actually kind of be like a sixth winner because getting the 382 is just really another win off this blue one when price action gets up here. He's got a ways to go. He's going to shoot straight up. RSI, relative strength index, and volume. Volume says that there are buyers present. Relative strength index says that you got bullish divergence. As you can see him pushing up. I don't see, like, he might get turned away here. It's possible. But so there's some structure here. I ain't gonna lie, there's structure there. And that could cause the trade to get rejected right there once again. But if price action comes back down to this level, as you see, that's a respected kind of like a buying zone, then you would just simply just enter long again. But chances are 1, 2, 3 bounce and go. So, you know, I really wanted to just come and put that on display. I don't think anyone has come across and talked about something like trading on a major holiday. It's all possible as long as the market's moving. It's going to continue to create advanced patterns over and over and over again. And if you think about it, this whole entire pocket right here is all a sideways pocket. So basically, until price breaks out of this, he broke out of that one, he came back into it. Okay, he came back into another one here. So as long as price action is going sideways, harmonic patterns will be created. Harmonic patterns are going to be created until we break out of this or close somewhere below all of this. Now, remember in the beginning, if he does close out of this and go on a run, right? If price action falls out of here, remember, this is the part of the teaching I need the people to really understand. This is what I need the people to really understand. If price action does break out and fall, all that's going to happen is it's going to continue. It's going to just start making advanced patterns all over again. Okay. That's all that's going to happen. If he breaks down, he's going to go sideways. He's going to consolidate because there's been a major move. Vice versa, if price action breaks out of this zone and fires out of there, gets closing higher than this. If he closes higher than this, all it's going to do is watch this. Give you something like that. That is also combined with something like this. That is also combined with something like this. For 3. As you see, I didn't make that up. They're coming in sets of 3s. Okay? So either side, that's what you need to look for. All right? So we don't know how much longer it's going to continue to go sideways. I've seen them go as far. I've seen it go as far as 6 to 7. I've seen it go as far as 6 to 7. I think that was Bitcoin that I was looking at. But you guys get the gist of it. So this is what it would look like scalping and trading harmonic patterns on a major holiday. Like and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. I'll try to check them and respond to every comment that's left. Share the video with any aspiring trader that you know or anybody that might be interested in learning how to trade. Again, it's Trey coming to you live from the Harmonic Trading Club. You guys have a happy holiday. I'll see you guys on the next one.